So now I'm gonna cook some walleye meat. I caught it 1 day ago and I'm gonna cook it up. I got a pan and I turned on the stove. I'm gonna just add in some butter. So now I'm gonna add in the butter. I'm gonna add in a lot because it's better to have a lot of butter for when you're cooking fish. I might add a bit more later, but here we go. And I'm gonna let the butter boil for a bit. So now I'm gonna add in the walleye that I just caught. Be careful because the butter will stand flat here. So now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. This is a mix with salt and pepper, so I'm gonna just add it on. Make sure to not add too much salt because it might be not so tasty. So in a bit I'm gonna flip it. So now I'm gonna flip the fish. So I'm gonna just flip it. Then I'm gonna add some pepper to the other side. There we go. So here. There, and now I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to the other side. So now I'm gonna let it cook on this side a bit. So I added a bit more butter so the fish didn't stick to the pan. And I'm gonna just let it sit for a bit. Then I'm gonna flip them again. Then I'm gonna eat them. So now I flipped the fish again. So now I'm gonna take the fish off. So here. Oops, I'm gonna just grab it. They kind of fall. So here, I got this plate. I'm gonna just put them on the plate. So here. Try to not leave any meat on the pan because this meat is amazing. Walleye meat is the best fish ever to eat. So I'm going to just continue taking it off. So now it's done. Look at this golden brown walleye. Look how good it looks. And now I'm going to eat it. So now it's done and I'm going to try it. So let's see. I got here a piece. It's very good. It's still hot, but it's very tasty. The best tasting fish I ever had. So thanks for watching. Click here if you want to see how I caught a rock bass on a big lure. So thanks for watching. Subscribe. See you in the next video.